Well, hello. It is February 3rd, 2016. I want to show you this strange thing that's showing up on telecast here. The last time I saw this, there was that big earthquake over here that was 7 point. That was just a couple days ago. Now, this doesn't show up if I just click the radar. If I click the radar in the clouds, it will show up. And then I'm going to click on the earthquakes. These are within the last 24 hours. Red is 6 hours, within 6 hours, then orange is 6 hours before that. I'm sorry, yellow 6 hours before that, and then orange, and then it goes to gray. And it's only 24-hour tracking. This here is what's showing up here near Papua New Guinea. Okay. And oddly enough, the way this is set up is I can't go that way. I have to go this way. And then it won't show me the ones that are over here. I know that's ridiculous, but this is 5.0, but this doesn't show for a long time. So it's some kind of energy burst. It doesn't last really long. Oh, look at it, goes all the way up to there. Look at that. Oh, all the way up to there. Oh, wow, this is a big, huge energy burst. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Oh, that's so amazing. Okay, wow. I hope you can see that. Let's zoom in a little here. Oh, it's harder to get it like that. There, look where it hits right in there. And because of the way it is, I'm not sure if the energy is going that way, which is what it looks like because of the earthquake right in there, or if it's going over this way. And it's possible that it's going both ways. And, oops, see up into here. And that I can't tell where it's coming from exactly. So I'm not sure if it's coming from a satellite or if it's coming from the ground or even underwater. Wow, that is so freaky. All right, let's see if I can find anything similar anywhere else. Okay, I'm on College of DuPage, Next Generation Weather Lab. This is the hemispheric infrared satellite. I'm going to slow it down a little because certainly I have found more here. You'll see these lines that appear. That and that. Look at that. And you can probably hear my dog crunching her food in the background. Okay, it's coming up any minute now. Yep, coming up, coming up, coming up. Okay, there, and then that. Okay, and the timing is, oh, let's zoom out, unzoom it, and then we can see the timing down here. March 3rd, 2016. That's a close one. Boom and zoom. Okay, so isn't that amazing? Sometimes it's fun to look at it in a different light. Let's see if we can see it a little bit. See if I can. Okay, let's go back so you can see it clear. And you can hear my grandson in the background also playing the video game. Look at that line right there, too, those black dots right there. See that? Okay, and then all of this. And these white dots also are part of it. You can see them even like over here. See? and I don't know where it's coming from. Okay, now let's go down here to the bottom. Oh, let's see if it shows up if I unzoom it. So we can get a time on there. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, well, maybe if it's not color enhanced. Oops, there. Okay. Don't move, don't move, don't move. 21:45, that's GMT time. And look at this weird pattern over here. But there is definitely going to be something, I would say. And sometimes it's very quiet, like a drought or something like that. So it isn't always like a big, huge, uh, end of the world thing that happens. But sometimes very quiet things affect things all over in a subtle way that might not really be noticed either. See this line right here? Coming up here? That's intriguing. And there you go. All right. Let's see if I can find, I'll look at one more spot. But if I don't find anything more, then I will talk to you again soon, and I'm grateful for you. Thank you for watching. Okay, I decided to come down a little more, and I went over here to the regional projects, or products, and I got on the southwestern part of the United States, and here you can see the lines a little bit more intense at 21:30. You can even see some of the white dots here, but it's only for a second, and then let's go backwards, and then it's gone. And that, I know, is not a glitch. That is some kind of shadow that's showing up with something that's being done in the atmosphere. Okay. What I mean by shadow is, I don't mean that this is a shadow of something further away. What I mean is, this is like, it shows up, this energy burst shows up looking like this. It might not be exactly what it is, but it's kind of like a fingerprint or um, some kind of evidence of something happening, even though it might not look like that at all, really. Um, that's what I mean by the shadow, just for clarification. Now, sometimes on this site you can see things a little more. The morphed integrated microwave imagery. Um, this is, it has this date on it, but this is showing the lapse of time right here. And the only thing that comes kind of close to what I can see happens right in here. If you watch right there. But at the beginning of this, there's this interesting little thing that happens right there. Okay, let's see if it shows up on the Indian Ocean one. No, that won't be it. Let's go to the Australia. Fiji one, no. Two. Oh, there, you can see some of it. Let's watch again. There, and I can't make this slower. If you go down to the bottom here, you can play around and find still images. And that looked like two different things. Let's watch one more time there for that, and then that one. Okay. So the West Pacific, maybe we can see it there. You can see it. It's kind of faint. but you can see it. Definitely on March 3rd. Shows up one more time. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to go back to this unintelecast for one more time. And I guess we'll just keep an eye on this area and what happens. That's pretty big. That's a pretty big spot to be keeping an eye on. Okay, let's go over. Oops, the other way. Over here. I can't make this bigger either. I apologize about that. But this has the time right down here. Okay, let's take it off the earthquakes for a minute and see what. There's a storm here, but this was where I saw really intense chemtrails happening yesterday that I put on the video. This still looks pretty wacky in here. But just by the way this looks, that shows up. Let's do it again. That looks like, to me, more than just storms. That's pretty intense. And this is just staying solid right here for a while. But it won't be there all day long or all night long. Alright, I'm grateful for you and I'm here at your service. Bye-bye.